And also fuck relatives, they don't matter.
Okay.
Yeah, relatives doesn't matter.
Okay, so don't even think about them.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
I have a question for you, Rahul. I'll kind of break it into two parts. The first one is that how do you convince your parents for starting up and getting into the domain of entrepreneurship? And the second part is how do you face your relatives for the same?
Like it was a very slow, steady process.
Okay.
Like, my mom used to call Siddhant Bhai and she used to go like, "Ki kya karega, kya nahi karega?" Like, is he taking the right decision, stuff like that. Ask me, he's here, right? Like, so it's a very strong process. It takes a lot of time, and you have to kind of like start doing it like way before you actually plan to do it. So you have to like start, let's say, 6 to 8 months before, and in that 6 to 8 months ka period, you have to keep bringing up that conversation again and again. And while you are at it, you have to also kind of like keep fighting those fights which occur. And also, if you're doing something, share the minutest of details with your parents. Minutest of details. Okay. Like even if you upload a YouTube video and you get
Yes.
10 comments, and that might not mean a lot to your parents, but if it means a lot to you, genuinely just go and show it to them, and just like share every single victory of yours. And over the time you will see that they also kind of like subconsciously understand like what you're doing, you're really enjoying that. And try to hook in people who your parents and you mutually know, and whom your parents respect. So for example, for me, it was one of our family friends named Tarun. He used to teach in he was himself from IIT Kharagpur, and he used to teach in FITZI. So but he was never happy about it himself. So I plugged him in, and I was like, dude, like like try and click on my behalf that what I'm doing makes sense. And I did this with like a couple of more people, and eventually like that kind of turned out to be good. Also, make money, dude. Like that's the like ultimatum at the end of the day. Get
Yeah.
some money in the bank, and that's like a very good strong sign of you being on the right direction. You have to make some money. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि make 1 lakh a month. Just make 10,000 a
Yeah.
month, and do 2 internships, do 3 internships at once. Like get your hands on whatever you can. And also fuck relatives. They don't matter.
Okay.
Yeah, relatives doesn't matter.
Okay, so don't even think about them.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.